Hello everyone. Today we will learn the replace the elements in a slice or array. Okay, let's start. We are having one array 1, okay, and mention here like int 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this. We are having the array 2 and mention here like int 6, 7. Yeah, that's all, 6, 7. Okay, and we want to replace or we want to copy or paste the first in the second array values to first array. Then we can use the copy and use here array 1 and 2 empty comma array 2. That's all. And we can check here like fmt dot println and type here array 1 and fmt dot println array 2. First we can check here like fmt dot println and we can type here og array is array 1. That's all. And yeah, we can type new array like this, and here we can type like second array, second array like this. That's all. And now here what happened in a 6 and 7, it is a 0 index 1 2 and 3, then 6 and 7 replace with the 3 and 4. Let's check. We can hit here like go run main.go and hit. Yeah, here is the original array like this 1 2 3 4, and new array is 1 2 6 and 7, and second array is having value 6 and 7. We can use copy function to the replacing the elements or copy the elements with the second array to one array or mentioning array to destination array like this. This is the way to replace the elements to one array to second array like this. This is the good. If we are changing this like 1 index 1, then it will be the replace 2 and 3, not a 4. Yeah, let's check. We can use here go run main.go and boom. Yeah, here is the showing like this 1 2 3 4 and 1 6 7 and 4 here mentioned again, because this is the 1 2 3, this is the 4 already fixed elements, fixed index is there. That's why they are changing only mentioned elements. Here the, suppose in this case here we are mentioning like 8 and it will just start with 1, then only 4 is not coming. Yeah, we can hit here like go run main and check. Yeah, like this 1 6 7 8, because of the this array is having similar. That's why. If you are thinking like if we are typing like 3 from 3 index like this only, we can check. Yeah, you can. Let's check. Go run this and it will be change with the 6 only, because we are mentioning the starting value in adding. That's why this is the way to replace the elements in a slice or array. Thanks for watching.